Okay, so this is your entire heart. Okay, your pericardium is what goes on and over it. It's that skin right there. Here is your ventricle. This is your left atria, right atria. These are your livers. So we have your left liver, right liver, medial liver. Underneath your liver, you have your gallbladder, which is the sac. And you have your stomach, which is here. Stomach leads into your small intestines. Between your stomach and your small intestines, you have your pyloric sphincter or your pylorus. And you have your mesentery that is located in your small intestine. So it's all of that connective tissue that keeps it together. That's your mesentery.
Is it that like little ghoulish
Yep,
thing?
all of this stuff right here that keeps it all together. And you have your pancreas, which is not that visible in this frog. So we'll have to do that at another time. These are your fat bodies, okay? Let's see, we have eggs here. So we know that those eggs indicate it's a female, okay? This is your spleen. Small intestines leads into your large intestine. Large intestine is going to exit out of the cloaca, okay? Kidneys. Kidneys are here.
The black thing?
This dark brown looking thing. This is your Ramen noodle. This is your oviduct. This is going to be your left lung right here.
Okay.
Left lung, right lung is here. Do you know your mouth cavity?
Thanks.
Yeah, then it's just the mouth cavity itself.
Okay.
Okay, so here you have your internal nares that lead to your external nares. You have your vomerine teeth. You have your maxillary teeth. You have your tongue, obviously. You have your eustachian tubes that lead to your tympanic membrane. Then you have your gullet here, which is going to lead to your esophagus, which will lead to your stomach. And then we have your glottis, which is here, and that's what's going to lead to your lungs.
Okay.
Those are your main structures.